3, 2, 1. Oh, yo, what is up? My name is Rahnni Fitteds. I love fitted hats. I collect fitted hats, and this is a fitted hat channel. Welcome back, y'all. I want to show you guys something very special that came in the mail today. So let's go ahead and get into it. We got another Hatclub care package. So let me go ahead and just make sure you guys can see. It says Hatclub right here. Okay, I'm very excited because today is what? May 26th? No, May 27th. Friday, May 27th. Am I right, Kobe? Give me the head nod. May 27th, Friday. Last week, Hatclub dropped their very dope collection, that beer pack. Now, I'll be honest, guys. I went on the website when it dropped and I tried to cop and everything sold out so quick. I was pretty pissed. But, Kobe, did you try that drop?
Dude, I skipped it. I knew it was gonna be hot.
Yeah, sometimes, like, you know, when you just know you don't have quick fingers, you know, just don't even try. That's what Kobe did. But I tried because I thought I could do it, and yeah, I didn't get it. I went for the Colt 45s, I went for the Blue Moon, and just no success. So I'm hoping that they sent, and it sounds like they sent some shot glasses again, because you know Hatclub trying to get me tipsy, right? So we'll see. I think it's the Hatclub, but let's go ahead and get to it and just open it. All right. So, man, Hatclub, once again, shout out to y'all. Thank you so much for sending this care package. Every time I get one of these, I'm like a little kid at a candy store. I'm very grateful, and I love being part of the team, and what more can I say? I'm just really happy and feeling blessed. But ASMR. It just sounds like a bunch of shot glasses, to be honest. I don't know what's in it. Yeah, do you hear that? Maybe a bunch of pins. I'm guessing it's gotta be that pin that they released, and another shot glass. Hey, I don't mind if you guys, Hatclub, if you guys continue making dope shot glasses. I'll drink with y'all, I promise. All right, no knife needed. All hands. Okay, guys, no tricks. This is, haven't even looked in it, so we're gonna look in it together. All right, in 3, 2, 1. Oh, sheesh. I was gonna say a bad word, but yo, this is, oh my God. Okay, Kobe's watching. You see it, bro?
I see it, bro.
Bro, oh my, this is the one. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this to the side real quick, because I want to show all the goodies first, right? So, and then we'll get to the main event. But all this ruckus is with these cubes. Yo, Hatclub, your presentation is flawless. Flawless victory right here. Kobe, here, bro. Put some of these in your water, man. He's like, what the? So ice cubes to represent, you know, like a good cold brewski, you know. And then this is another part of the noise. This is a bottle opener. Okay, that's what's up. All right, so let me show you guys here. Boom. Hatclub, established in 1992, baby. And this is pretty sick too. Look at that. Skull on fire or something. Wait, let me double check. Yeah, no, just skull. Hatclub around it. Yeah. You know, it's like a weapon. But yeah, it's pretty heavy too. So good quality. Yeah, I dig that. I don't know if they had these at the pop-up shop they did. So Hatclub, when they dropped the beer pack last week, they actually had a pop-up event, a special pop-up event in Houston, and that was crazy from just like the pictures I saw. But a lot of people showed up. It was really hot, I heard. But I wish I could have been there. But this is just as dope as well. Just kidding this. Okay, so moving on. Put that down. There's a note. Oh, there's a card. Hatclub, Houston, Texas. I believe they sold shirts at the pop-up shop too. The shirts were pretty dope, but let me go ahead and read you what it says right here on the back. Sit back, throw your feet up, and enjoy this ice-cold beer pack from the homies at Hatclub. Love it, love it. Super dope. And then this is the pin that dropped at the pop-up shop. So if you bought a hat at that Houston pop-up shop, you got a free pin with it. There we go. Get it focused. Look at that. It's like a moon man with that contraption where you don't need your hands to drink the beer. They should have made that. They should have made that at the pop-up event. You know, that would have been dope. It fitted. That comes with that contraption already installed. Sick. And that's about it, guys. But that noise was definitely from the ice cubes, the bottle opener, and the pin. And then let's get to the main event, the fitted. Now, before I show you guys, that collection, the beer pack, was crazy. They actually dropped their first drop of the beer pack last year, and a few when they dropped this one, a few of the originals made a return, so they restocked a few of those, like the Milwaukee Brewers, the MGD inspired. They also dropped a bunch like I believe like the St. Louis Cardinals, and there's more. I'll definitely throw up a Kobe will throw up an entire photo of all the hats. But when they dropped it last week, they had a bunch of new hats, and this one I'm about to show you is one of them, and it's also, in my opinion, the best one. Let me know what you guys think, but showing you the Panic in 3, 2, 1. Boom! Houston Colt 45s. Before they were the Astros, they were the 45s. Kobe, what do you think so far, bro? Go ahead and...
That hat's clean. Yeah.
Out of all the ones that you've seen...
That's the one, bro.
Okay. Yeah. You heard him there. This is the one, and I agree. Like I said, so it's simple, but when you're hooking it to a concept, there's always that one that just, you know, gets hooked the best, and this was hooked the best in my opinion because of the Colt 45 beer. Boom right there, boom right here. Well, you got the 40th anniversary side patch, but got the good lights in here. But let me make sure you guys can see that metallic in that side patch. It's I don't know if it's gonna pick up. The lights are good in here, but I don't know if it's gonna pick up. But I'll describe to you. We got the red, the blue, but that gold right here is so nice in person. So nice. And then the back is also in gold metallics. Boom. Go back to the side patch. Colt 45s is in blue, and then there's actually a white border around the 45s. That is in silver metallic. Get some catch a glimpse of that. I'm a 7 1/4. Going on to the inside, you got a gray, classic gray under visor. Boom, we got the price tag at $55. Sheesh. You buy more than one hat a week, it adds up. Definitely adds up. Tonal error flag if I didn't say so earlier. Oops. We got the 100% polyester made in Bangladesh. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on for you guys real quick. Flat brim style. Fits snug. Usually the Bangladesh hats are, you know, a little bit bigger on me, but this one does fit snug. Oh man, I can't wait to wear this. I'll wear this in the next video. The next video will be another dope pickup. Stay tuned for that. But bang, boom. That's what I meant. Woo. And then the hat I was wearing, Cleveland Indians, 1981 All-Star Game. You see it, unreleased pin. They're releasing soon on my website, RahnniFits.com. Shameless plug, but hey, it's my channel. Anyways, guys, let me go ahead and hear from Kobe. Out of 10, bro.
9 out of 10, man.
9 out of 10 for me. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Because it's a classic. It's gray UV. That means makes it easy to wear, but you know, almost perfect. I don't know what could make it perfect, but 9 out of 10 is really good. Once again, shout out to Hatclub because I couldn't cop, and like them sending this means so much to me. Hatclub, you guys are killing it in the game right now. Love what you're all doing, and keep it up. But yeah, let me know what you cop from the Hatclub beer pack collection. Let me know if this is the one out of all of them that dropped. Subscribe, comment, like, subscribe, and then also for the next video, guys, stay tuned. It's another dope pickup video. And other than that, that's a wrap. Don't be afraid to curate. I'm Rahnni Fitteds. Peace.